Kanjani Chosen Hlabelinga 2021 sa rapper Start sa mahala muga la COVID-19 food for thought puzzle Nyantisha la I bring, I drop it, I take it back to the basic Kick my roots in One bifaka phumelo bala siqede bright after bright vele December ke ibhita ngidlala nayo ngihamba nayo nginamathelo ku tight and steady ayo such a privilege abayi appreciate umuntu njalo akana danke ubonga ngeplate nothuvia sis much appreciation to the stranger nami ngiappreciate abanye abantu ababaza abantu banokuthatha abantu light lokwe hlopholde kuyisilingi babhekisele phansi bakhohle ukuthi ngaphandle kwakho ngeke bakuthola ukhanya kwelight olodude kitafula phambi kobuso bezitha zami comrade to quite inindaba viva la rasa mago etikarere dem kube ngathi ngiyarestla me warrior ngilwa nezitha njengoshaka Zulu I've them in the palm of my hand ngathi ngishuka izolo usasentwana usakhetha amabhithi mina kokhala ibhithi ngikhwela ibhithi mithi ibhithi ngithwele ngeqoma wena uyifuna iqoma mangithi kwazi nokushaya ibeat uchoose beggars are not choosing cela free beat edope ngokuzikhokhe nginguyikhokhela ibeat if wanna take shots at me musha noma uncane la kumina drown na le flow lesiba sitiphu ngijule kakhulu ngikhipha amakhulu amaphaza amaningi kakhulu lamdenjandini represent le dog engayishayi ngebeat ngivegetarian process amahlahlo okwe photosynthesis ngenza research ngathola ama critics sebene hypothesis offering indawo yokukhishwa kodwa mali sinazi ngaccommodate abadala nabancane zokuboko kuyafana duplicate I always stare out the facts ngeke ngithole ngifabricator ngine vocabulary ngiyapersist penetrate phezu kwebeat kwifiram elidinga uku-elaborate ngipivati kudala ngirapha sengomile ngiyadehydrator ngile nje nomoya omningi kwesondela kanti trader hip hop ngiyiphusha ngamandla ungafunga kick greater ngiphosa zamalaphula ihlahla usunga-calculate ratio i-proportion ayikho less than i-greater mathematically bala ngikhipha ama-greater citv nethekene ngingayishelanga uzwisithi usiphezo ngiyamvuma soma ukuthi uyaphika zokise sangomena kanjani uzovuma Kanjani represent I'm out